What's going on, YouTube? Back out here on the wifey's car, working on the Passat. Got the back brakes, the pads that needed to be changed. Was looking at everything. I would probably say that need to go ahead and take care of the calipers and the rotors the next go around. I'm pretty confident with how they look right now that it's okay until the next time that we need to change the pads, and then we'll just go ahead and change everything at once. But definitely time to change out these pads. That's the old ones, that compared to the new ones, that's a big difference. But one thing that got me was, so normally whenever you get pads, oh, what is it, gonna zoom in? There it is. Little brackets, comes with new brackets. There's little metal clip brackets. This one did not. But whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and use the old ones for now. Like I said, next go around we're gonna change everything, and hopefully that comes with brackets, the new brackets. But just a simple well, if I can find it, pop them on in. Into their slot. Or not. They don't want to cooperate. There we go. That made it a lot easier. Oh, quit spinning. There we go. Get a stud back in there to keep that rotor lined up. Got the pads back in. I've already got the caliper compressed, so hopefully now should just slide back into place. There we go. Two little bolts. Let's see. I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, two little bolts that went right onto the back side. 13 millimeters. You screwing in. Yeah, I guess if you just hold it the right way to begin with, it might actually help out. Not really sure what the torque spec is on that. I guess if I get on Google and look it up, I can find it, but I'm pretty happy with just a nice, good, snug, and then just a little oomph extra. But that's all it was to that. I would come back about 45, yeah, probably about 45,000 miles. Check it again. If it needs to be replaced, then that's when we'll go ahead and take care of everything. But hope that helps somebody out that has a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. Not bad of a job. 13 millimeter, 2 bolts, comes right out. Just make sure to decompress or to compress the caliper, that way you can get the caliper slid back on. Hey, y'all have a good day.